Ever wondered how a tiny seed transforms into a towering tree? Imagine, if you will, a world filled with magic. A world where tiny magic boxes, also known as seeds, hold the blueprint for life, waiting to unfold. In this magical world, the soil acts as a cozy bed for our little seed. It's not just any bed though. It's a bed that provides nourishment, warmth, and protection to our tiny hero. Just like how we snuggle into our warm beds at night, the seed snuggles into the soil, preparing for an incredible journey. And what a journey it is! The seed, this tiny magic box, is not so different from you and me. It needs food, water, and a breath of fresh air to grow. And when these needs are met, something miraculous happens. The seed begins to change and a new life form starts to emerge. This is where the real magic begins. From this tiny seed, a sprout pops out. It's like the seed is saying hello to the world for the very first time. This sprout, this tiny green shoot, is the first step in our seed's journey to becoming a plant. And as days turn into weeks and weeks into months, this sprout grows taller, stronger. It sprouts leaves, branches, and maybe even flowers or fruits. Our seed, once a tiny magic box, has transformed into a majestic plant, a towering tree, a testament to the magic of life. This isn't just any magic though. It's the magic of green, the magic of life, the magic of Mother Nature herself. From a single seed to an array of plants, each unique in its own way, the magic of green is everywhere around us. Whether it's the grass beneath your feet, the flowers in your garden, or the trees in your local park, each plant started its life as a tiny seed, snug in its soil bed, waiting to unleash its magic upon the world. And this magic isn't limited to just plants and trees. It's a magic that touches every aspect of our lives, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. So next time you see a plant, remember the magic it holds within. Next, we'll uncover the secret behind this magical transformation. So, what's the magic formula that turns a seed into a plant, you might be wondering? Well, let's dive into it. Firstly, we have sunlight. Yeah, you heard me right, sunlight. Just like how we need breakfast to kickstart our day, plants need sunlight to start their day too. Plants are like little solar panels, soaking up the sun's energy. This process is called photosynthesis. It's a big word, I know, but think of it as a plant's breakfast time. They munch on sunlight to grow and flourish. Now, isn't that a bright idea? Next up is water. Just like us, plants get thirsty too. They lap up water from the ground through their roots. It's kind of like drinking with straws, only these straws are underground. The water then travels all the way up to their leaves, helping the plant to stay hydrated and healthy. So, remember to water your plants, or they might just get a bit thirsty. And finally, we have soil. Soil is like the plant's home, providing it with all the nutrients it needs. It's like a plant's very own buffet, filled with all kinds of goodies like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients help the plant grow strong and healthy, kind of like how eating your fruits and veggies helps you grow big and strong. So, to sum it all up, the secret ingredients to a plant's growth are sunlight, water, and soil. It's like a recipe for a plant smoothie. With sunlight as the bananas, water as the ice, and soil as the spinach, mix it all together and voila, you've got a growing plant. But wait, there's more. Plants aren't just solar-powered, water-drinking, soil-eating beings. They have a little something up their leaves that makes them extra special. But that's not all. Plants have a superpower that makes them extra special. Can you guess what it is? Stay tuned to find out. Did you know plants have a secret superpower? Yes, you heard that right. Plants are like superheroes of our planet, but instead of capes and masks, they have leaves and roots. So, what is this superpower? It's called photosynthesis. Now that's a big word, isn't it? But don't worry, we'll break it down. Photo means light, and synthesis means putting together. So photosynthesis is all about using light to put things together. Imagine plants as tiny green factories. These factories are always busy, working day in and day out. The workers in this factory are the leaves. They have a special job. They capture sunlight, just like how you might catch a ball. But that's not all. They also soak up water from the ground through their roots, like drinking through a giant straw. Now, inside these leaf workers, there's a magical transformation happening. They take the sunlight and water, and with a little help from a gas called carbon dioxide, which they get from the air, they turn these into food. This food is a type of sugar, which gives the plant energy to grow and thrive. It's like the plant is making its own lunch. But wait, there's more. As a bonus, during this process, plants also produce oxygen. Yes, the very oxygen we need to breathe. So in a way, plants are not just making their own food, but also helping us live. Isn't that amazing? Plants, with their superpower of photosynthesis, are like the superheroes we need but don't always appreciate. They're quietly saving the day, every day, by making food and oxygen. So, the next time you see a plant, remember its superpower. Maybe even whisper a little thank you. Now that we know how plants grow, let's find out why they are so important. Ever thought about why we need plants? Plants are the superheroes of our planet, and they don't even wear capes. They work round the clock to make our lives better in so many ways. Let's dive into some of the amazing things they do. First up, plants are the world's top chefs. They whip up a delectable menu of fruits, vegetables, grains, and nuts that make our meals colorful, tasty, and most importantly, nutritious. From apples to zucchinis, all the delicious food we munch on comes from plants. So, next time you bite into that juicy apple, remember to thank our green friends. But that's not all. Plants are also the world's best recyclers. They take in carbon dioxide, a gas we humans can't use, and with a sprinkle of sunlight magic, they transform it into oxygen, which we absolutely need to breathe. It's like they're running a never-ending recycling project, keeping the air clean and fresh for us to enjoy. Now imagine a world without any furniture, books, or even paper. Sounds pretty bleak, right? Well, that's because a lot of the things we use daily come from plants, especially trees. The paper you doodle on, the wooden chair you sit on, even the rubber in your favorite bouncy ball, all gifts from our leafy companions. And let's not forget about the animals. From the tiniest ant to the biggest elephant, many creatures depend on plants for shelter and food. Forests, jungles, and even underwater plants are like bustling cities, teeming with life and activity. Finally, plants are Earth's beauty experts, adding color, scent, and charm to our world. They paint our landscapes in shades of green and burst into vibrant colors throughout the seasons. Plus, their sweet-smelling flowers can brighten up any day. So, you see, plants are truly indispensable. They feed us, help us breathe, provide us with things we need, shelter a myriad of creatures, and make our world a beautiful place to live in. And lastly, let's put your knowledge to the test with a fun quiz. Are you ready for a fun quiz about what we've learned today? Let's test your knowledge. Question 1. What's the secret ingredient that plants need from the sun to make their food? Is it A, sun cream, B, sunshine, or C, sunglasses? Give it a thought. And the answer is B, sunshine. Yes, without sunshine, plants can't photosynthesize and make their food. Question 2. What's the superpower of plants that helps keep our planet cool? Is it A, they can fly, B, they can breathe carbon dioxide and release oxygen, or C, they can sing? And the answer is B, they breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. You got it. Plants are like the Earth's natural air conditioners. Question 3. Which of these is not a benefit of trees to humans? Is it A, they provide us with fruits, B, they produce money, or C, they help to clean the air? Take a moment, and the answer is B, they produce money. Yes, trees do a lot for us, but unfortunately they can't grow money. Question 4, what do plants need to grow? Is it A, love letters, B, water, sunlight, and nutrients from the soil, or C, chocolate? Let's see. And the answer is B, water, sunlight, and nutrients from the soil. You're on a roll. Final question, why are plants important for the Earth? Is it A, they make the Earth look pretty, B, they help in reducing global warming and maintaining biodiversity, or C, they can dance? Think about it. And the answer is B, they help in reducing global warming and maintaining biodiversity. Yes, you're absolutely right. Well done. You're now a plant expert. Remember to look after our green friends because they look after us too.